1000 or sometimes we may make it 100, value will remain same. ये हमारी मर्जी पे है, इसको 1000 करें या 100 करें. This is one. इस पे भी हम माथे की कितनी लंबाई चौड़ाई. Another is we have the blood groups. All 4 major blood groups found everywhere. But which blood group is dominating? Which blood group is found in maximum number over there? Then another is stature. Average height. What is the average height? Some of the people, pygmy people, Sava people, they are very short statured people. Their height is not more than 4 feet. But some people are 6 feet tall also. So every race has an average height. So height is one of the important criteria. Apart from that, we have the color. Color of the skin. That is the skin color. Skin color is, chocolate black to brown to whitish white, yellow, all 6-7 different types of colors every race has. It is the manifestation of climatic conditions prevailing in that region. So these are the major criteria to classify the different racial groups. So this is one, but I am not here to teach you the races. I want to teach you the physical geography of India. This I discussed because I was teaching the geological time scale. I thought I should share it with you. But in continuity, I may give you some basic information about the origin of man also. On the basis of these different criteria, there are the 7 different racial groups. You must be knowing the 7 different names of the racial group. Let me repeat all those 7. Types of races. Types of races. First race is called Negrito. Second is called Negro. Third is called Australoid. Fourth is Mediterranean. Fifth is Nordic. Sixth is Alpine. Seventh is Mongoloid. These are the 7 races in all. Basically, just to understand 7 broad. If you feel so, how we classified these races? Quickly, I will give you one small CI. CI means cephalic index. Cephalic index is say 68 to 70, 70 to 72, 72 to 74, 74 to 76, 76 to 78, 78 to 80 and 80 plus. So this is one cephalic index of all the races. If you say very simple classification basis, types of races, it is the color of the skin. Color you may say, this is chocolate black. Black. Brown. Wheatish. White. This is spotted white. This is yellow. You must be knowing spotted white.
Yes.
Sometimes if you see any person from Norway or Scandinavian region, you will find white color with spots. Like you may see, oh, they are the moles kind of things. So they are the spotted white. So this is one of the criteria. And if you feel so, which habitat? Habitat is also very important where they live. Hares, hare index, Cymotrichi, Eulotrichi. They are known as dolichocephalic. They are known as mesocephalic, and they are known as round-headed, brachycephalic. So you can say on the basis of this we can classify. And another is habitat. Where they live. Quickly, let me give you. Negrito always found in remote equatorial islands. Remote equatorial islands. And this is continental equatorial region. Like in Africa, in Brazil, in Indonesia, in the interior, not in islands. Brown, margin of the continents. Australia, margin of continents. You must be knowing Australoid. Like Australoid, you know, in India, Munda people, Birhor, Orang, Santhal, Bega, Gond, Khond, Bhil, Maria, Chukchi, Chenchus, Todas, Kotas, all these are the names you must have gone through in India. They all are tribal people. But they are very close to, they have some of the somatic feature belongs to Negro, some of the somatic feature they belongs to we people. We are the Mediterranean people. Yesterday I told you Mediterranean. We have 3 subgroups of Mediterranean. Who are those? Arabs, Persian and Indian. So इनमें थोड़ा सा characteristic हमारा है, थोड़ा सा इनका है. You must be knowing there was one chief minister of Jharkhand, Arjun Munda. His color was like Negro, but hairs were not like Negro. Nose was flat, but stature was not like that. तो कुछ characteristics इनका है, कुछ इनका है, so they are Australoid. So basically they found in the margins of the continent. So this is, they are called, you came to know Australoid. Who are the Australoid? So even, okay, I hope the name of the tribes I mentioned need not to repeat. And Mediterranean, we people are the Mediterranean, basically Arabs plus Persians plus Indians. These are the Mediterraneans. And Nordics means southern, eastern plus Western Europe. And Alpine means Northern Europe. Or you can say Scandinavian region. So this is one region. And Mongoloid means cold, polar region. And cold, polar plus Tibetan region plus east, Southeast Asia plus Eastern Asia plus Far East Asia, East Asia, Southeast Asia and the Far East Asia. Far East means Korea, so North Korea, South Korea, Manchuria, Japan, Northeastern China, they comes under Far East. And Eastern Asia means Vietnam, China, Laos, Cambodia. This is and the Southeast means Indonesia, equatorial region, and those are the Southeast Asia. So this is the habitat of the different racial groups. I hope you can understand the term I use, the race, the different concept of the race. Now, before switching over to the physical geography of India, I'll give you one simple sketch of the origin of man, how man evolved, the origin, how the man evolved. This is after the evolution of man. It divided into different races according to the different climate. But how it originated, so it is like that. So you have noted it down, so may I clean it? Okay. Origin of man. You must be thinking, कि सर ज्योग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया पढ़ा रहे हैं या ज्योग्राफी ऑफ मैन पढ़ा रहे हैं? You know, the mammals. Which time period is known as the period of mammals? Huh? Huh? So it is basically tertiary period. It started from tertiary period, and this from the tertiary period there was a stage called hominoid, anthropoid. Means वो जानवर जो चार पैर पे चलता था. So man was walking on 4 legs, and monkey, like ape, so many other. So, but in tertiary period, it get down. It was living on tree. It get down, and there was a branch. और इसमें से ये चली गई और एक branch निकली. This is called hominoid. जो 2 पैर पे चलने लगी, which started walking on 2 legs, and this is approximately 18 MY, million year before there. Approximately 18 million year ago, a man started walking on 2 legs. कुछ अलग हो गया, and then from the hominoid, one branch further separated and could not continue. One branch separated and could not continue. That is called Australopithecus. इंसान जैसा ही इंसान में से एक ब्रांच और निकल गई, but they could not survive. Maybe so many other reasons. And after this, further, another branch separated, Homo habilis, but it also could not survive. We have the fossils. Further, it continued. One more branch separated, Homo erectus. It also could not sustain, and the present is called Homo sapiens. So we have the evidence of Homo sapiens. Evidence we obtain from, Cro-Magnon और निएंडरथल. ये नाम आपने कभी सुने? हाँ? पेकिंग मैन, and the Java man. And there was one more. leave it. Cro-Magnon are the fossils. Cro-Magnon are the fossils found almost 5,000 years ago, which are perfectly similar to the present day man. And they found in France. Cro-Magnon, the fossils found in France in caves. And this man was almost similar to the present day man. Neanderthal was found even before Cro-Magnon, almost 10,000 years back, and it was basically it is from Germany, because Neanderthal is a river. In the basin of that river in Germany near Berlin, some of the fossils found Neanderthal man. Truly, Neanderthal was the first present day man, first Homo sapien, because Neanderthal was almost 6 feet tall, 6.5 feet tall. He was walking on 2 legs, but his body was almost leaned at 45-degree angle. He was not standing straight. What change has come in human body in somatic structure which brought a man straight? So the shape of the brain, all the mammals are having their brain is here. So they keep their brain like this. Our brain is shifted from here to here. So that's why we could stand straight. We have the center of gravity. How it become possible? It is one biological change that is called evolution of a gland in the forehead called pituitary gland. We have 4 different glands: adrenal gland, thyroid gland, but pituitary gland is the one which evolved, which is here in the forehead, which kept man straight. Before that,